From helping in assignments to making money, we all are using ChatGPT nowadays because it's the first most popular AI tool out there. But in this video, I'm gonna reveal and explain the new AI tool, Bard AI. I'm gonna tell you the advantages that Bard AI has over ChatGPT and the differences which makes it better than ChatGPT. Hey guys, this is Haider, and in this channel I help and motivate others to build their online businesses. So don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Let me tell you about Bard AI first. It is developed by Google and first released on 21st March of 2023, and it is available in 3 different languages. The reason I'm making this video is that nowadays we all are using the online products which are mostly from Google. Why not try this AI tool from the Google as well? Let's dive into the video. The biggest difference that Bard AI has over ChatGPT is the direct access to the internet. Means if you want your answers from the current year 2023, then Bard AI will give you those answers. And as we all know that ChatGPT goes only up to 2021. So let's try it by asking, give me the 10 news about AI from April 2023. And here it generated a response from the month April and obviously the year 2023. Coming next is the feature that if you want to search about your response from Bard AI to the Google search, then this tool will also help you in this. Here in the bottom, you can see the button Google It. It will show you the prompts you can use to search on Google about the topic that you have searched on Bard AI. So click on it and it will automatically open a new tab with that prompt. And in ChatGPT, we would not know how to do this. The next thing is whenever you want to save the response from the ChatGPT, you need to copy that response, create a new file, paste it and save that file. But with Bard AI, you can do this by just one click. So click this arrow button here. Here you will have 2 options, draft in Gmail or export to the doc. Click here and it will create a doc file with your prompt as a title of the document and the content already pasted. And then this way you can download it from here to your PC. The next cool feature that Bard AI has but ChatGPT doesn't have it is that you can now ask Bard AI to write your prompt rather than just typing it. Means it comes with the microphone functionality. And for that you can see the microphone button here. Click it and then click allow and just ask it, for example, give me 10 YouTube channel ideas for 2023. Imagine having this in our mobile phones, then we all have our personal Jarvis just like Iron Man in our pockets. But don't worry, that time is not too far away because Google is working on releasing its mobile app very soon. Another thing which I like about Bard AI most is whenever you ask it something, it will give you the 3 drafts of that answers. Means if you don't like the first one, you can always use the second one and the third one. You can view it by clicking here on the view other drafts, choose anyone you like, or you can regenerate the response as well. More information about Bard AI tool is that it's going to be integrated with many popular companies like Adobe, Walmart, Spotify, and it will be very amazing. For example, if you want music from Spotify or you want something from Walmart, then it's gonna help you with that. And I cannot stop imagining and thinking about this, that how big this is going to be in the future. I always wanted to get a response with images in from ChatGPT, but I couldn't because it doesn't come with the free version of ChatGPT now. But guess what? Bard AI can do it for free. So let's search it here. Give me 5 images of Lamborghini because Lamborghini is my favorite car. And here it gave me 5 Lamborghinis and surprisingly with the sources of that Lamborghini pictures. The next feature that Bard AI has is that, for example, we like a picture of the Lamborghini we asked in response and we want the specifications of that Lamborghini. So it will also give you the responses based on images. For example, let's search it here by mentioning that Lamborghini. Give me the specifications for the Lamborghini in the first image, and it will give us the details for that car with the source links for that too if you want to proofread. And with my personal experience with ChatGPT, it always gives you the links which are either expired or not available on the internet, but because of the ChatGPT data collection limitations. Google also released the information that it will also going to integrate this Bard AI in the main Google searches to give the users the bigger picture of what they are searching. Just like it is showing in the screen now, it gives the better understanding to readers. Another advantage that Bard AI has over ChatGPT and many other AI tools is the speed of the response that Bard AI has. Because Bard AI will give you the responses at once, unlike ChatGPT where it is like that someone is typing the response and sometimes I hate it because it stops in the middle of the responses. Now let's compare both AIs by by searching same prompt on both platforms. Let's search, for example, give me 10-minute scripts for YouTube video on making money with real estate. Now paste it on Bard AI and same paste it on ChatGPT. Now in this, I will prefer for now ChatGPT because it gives us extra information without us asking it. For example, it tells us how to open a shot, how to close a shot, and here if we see on the Google part, there is something interesting like it gave us the section of bonus tips, which is different and good. But overall, ChatGPT is at risk by the releasing of this Bard AI tool from Google because we all know what is the level of access that Google has over the internet. And ChatGPT will soon lose its popularity if it doesn't take any actions to confront those risks. Now, to be honest, I am very curious to hear from all of you that what do you think that will going to happen and which AI platform that you are going to use. Do tell me in the comments. I hope you have found some value in this video and some new information, obviously. And once again, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video to the ones you care about. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.